What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys a simple way how you can make money on Google. So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say welcome. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And if you like videos about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, and just to find a better way, you landed on a perfect channel. So I'm going to show you how you can make money using Google. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Give me some love. There's a lot of videos on here as well. So just make sure that you go through, and I create videos and I make videos for everybody. So if this video doesn't fit, make sure you check out the other ones on my channel. For my regulars, happy to have you here, and let's just dive into things. All right. So a simple way how you can make money on Google is I'm going to share with you guys some really cool tips, right? So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to go onto a website, and there's a website that you can Google, and this is called muncheye.com. So with muncheye.com, they basically give you like a heads up. So they tell you what's going to launch, what's the big launch, things that are about to go out. So if you can get in front of your competition, of course, you're going to make a lot of money, right? So, for example, if you look right here, today's what? Today's the 15th. These are some products that are launching in advance. So you can go here, you can watch the videos, you can check them out, you can see exactly. So let's look at this one. This one right here is Sam Becker, right? And he's launching a Facebook course. So if you look here, this is launching at the time shooting this video, February 5th, 2019. So these people post on this site what is about to get launched. They also tell you what network they're going to be launching on. As you see right here, they have JVZoo, you have ClickBank. So if you scroll through here, you will see when they're going to launch it. This one is like Warrior Plus. And these are different affiliate networks that you can sign up for. You could sign up for it, and then once it launches, you can then start to promote it. But here's what you're going to do, and here is how you're going to make money using Google, right? The first thing first, you want to make sure that you check out the product, see if it fits, see what the product is all about. So I would come here, and let's say you sign up for JVZoo, right? So I'll click on this, let's say Mario Brown. I'll click on it, click on Mario Brown, look and see exactly how everything works. You can then click on where it says the JVZoo page, right? So you click on the JVZoo page, then it's gonna take you over here, right? There's gonna be a little video, you can watch the video. The launching is coming in February 7th, right? There's gonna be some sign up for affiliate contests. Of course, they always do affiliate contests when they do all these things. So you want to come through here. You want to get as much information, write things down, see what works. You can click here and you can grab your affiliate link. So if you click here, it's going to take you right over to the JVZoo platform, because this is on JVZoo. This is the sale. The sale for this product is $37. The commission that you're going to get is half of this, which equivalent to, I don't know, do the math, right? 50% of that. So you get 50%. So right here, it's asking you to fill out the form below to get a request. Now, I'm sure this person probably looking for some people who already has some experience to promote his product. Now, what if you don't have any experience? Let's go back. Great question, right? You can come here and then you can click on this one that says Cindy Donovan. Of course, it's going to be changing over and over again. It's going to be changing. You can click on here. Likewise, check this out. Once you check this out and you find this is the traffic IVJV, watch this video, take some notes, go through here, see what is on this specific product. Look and see what they're advertising. see exactly what it is, and then what you can do, right? What you can do, you can then go to, let's go where it says affiliate link. This one is on ClickBank, so you definitely want to sign up for ClickBank. You can create a ClickBank account. It is absolutely free. Likewise, JVZoo. Once you get that link that you're going to be using to start to promote, it's already there already, right? They already put the link here. So all you got to do is just put your ClickBank ID. Once you get this, now I'm going to share with you how you can make money using Google. Simple way how you can make money using Google, all right? So once you find the product that you're going to use to promote and make a ton of money, right? Because you can go out there and you can crush the game. The next thing you want to do, you want to create a blog, right? So you can create a blog, you can make YouTube videos, whatever fits best for you. But let's say we're gonna go with blog. We're gonna stick with blogging. Now, Wix is a great place that you can create a blog. Wix is free. But of course, in order for your blog to rank for this specific product, you wanna make sure you put it out there. Right, not that one. You wanna put it out there for this Traffic IV. And if I look on, let's say I'm gonna go on Google, not Google, I'm gonna go on YouTube. So I'm gonna go on YouTube and see if Traffic IV, if anyone is talking about Traffic IV on Google. So let's see, search. Well, here you go. Traffic IV, people are already ahead of the game. This person created a video a day ago, a day ago, a day ago. So they are already out there. People are already promoting this already. So if you create a video and you rank for Traffic IV, I'm telling you, you're gonna get a lot of traffic, you're gonna get a lot of people. Remember, Google and YouTube work together. But here's what you're gonna do. Once you create your blog, when you create your blog using Wix, because Wix is free, you're gonna embed your affiliate link for Traffic IV in your blog. Now, there's a ton of videos on blogs that you guys can go and you can find out more about blogging. There's videos that explain to you about Wix. So I'm not even gonna go into details with that, but I'm just gonna share with you the ways how you can actually start to go and crush it. So once you do that and you have your blog going, so if I come here and I look for Traffic IV, now look, there's Traffic IV already. It's already started popping up. Like this person created that video already ranking right here because they created a video ahead of the game. So if you can create a video and get ranked on Google, it's going to be good because you're going to have a lot of people searching the word Traffic IV. So this person right here, they created a video an hour ago. They're going to get a lot of people. Now, you don't have to be on the camera to create a video. You can be behind the camera. You can use software such as like Zoom. You can use RingCentral meeting apps to do your recording. If you have a Mac, you can do like iMovie, all that type of stuff. Okay, so come here. Once you create your blog, now your blog will get probably lost in the transition. Now, how do you rank on Google? Great question. You can go on a website that is called Fiverr. You don't know how to write blog, you can go and find people on here that will write blogs for you. You can look at content writing and search for people. Or if you want to type in backlinks, I'm sure they have backlinks, SEO black backlinks. So if you look here, they have SEO backlinks. There's a lot of people here. There's $5, there is $50. So they can send you a lot of traffic to your blog so your blog can get ranked. And that's a good thing. They'll send you a lot of traffic. You just come here and you just buy it and just say, rank this video. So they're going to pump a lot of traffic to your blog. And then eventually your blog is going to be on the first page where it's going to get a lot of traffic. So that's how you can make a lot of money using Google. So it is simple. It doesn't take a lot of components together. All you have to do is, one, go on muncheye.com. Once you go on muncheye.com, find the products that you want to promote. They're already giving you a heads up. They're already giving you advance. So if you want to promote something, let's say in March or later down, start getting information, start getting your blog together. Maybe create a YouTube, create a video, because Google, YouTube works well. Start to put it out there. So that way, when people start searching, you're going to be ahead of the game. You're going to get more traffic. You're going to get more leads. You're going to get more customers. And that's how you get inside of your business. Now, if you guys want to learn more about blogging, well, not specifically blogging, but on Google, if you want to learn more about Google and how to drive traffic, there's a website called Legendary Marketer that teaches you how you can do blogging as well. So if you want more information as well, this is a great educational platform that teaches you how to do Google. Check out the link down below. You can sign up for free. It's a 15-day challenge that you have to go through, and you can decide if you want to take part in it or not. So it's free, 15 days, try it out, see what works, and hope to see you guys on board. So remember, muncheye.com gives you different affiliate products that are coming out, and it gives you a heads up so you can prepare and then you can start to crush it. All right. So I hope this video helps, and thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. My name is Andre. Peace.